series into 3 groups. The first group is called Pandas, that offers data structure and tools for effective data manipulation and analysis. It provides fast access to structured data. It was developed by Wes Kinney in 2008 for a high-performance, flexible tool to perform quantitative analysis on financial data. We will be using Pandas to load, prepare, and manipulate our data and get it ready for analysis. The second group is for using data visualization methods to show meaningful results of analysis with graphs, charts, and maps. The Matplotlib package is the most well-known library for data viz that's highly customizable. We will be using it for graphical techniques to identify the most important properties of our dataset. Finally, the third group is called Sckit-Learn or Sckit-Learn, developed by David Kornapuu to focus on statistical modeling of the data. It provides a selection of efficient tools for machine learning, including classification, regression, clustering, and dimensionality reduction, via a consistent interface in Python. We will be using Sckit-Learn for fitting the machine learning models to our dataset and then using evaluation metrics for checking its performance.